Ahmad, Airul, kita nak pergi. Balik aja Airul dah nak kahwin. Dah, let's go. Kita dah kat airport masuk departure.
Time to go to Japan.
Jagakan Perak baik-baik. Kita dah nak masuk. Okay, ini Brunei Airline.
Ya, baru check in lagi. So right now kita nak masuk dulu.
Okay, let's go Narita. Terminal. We are now in the terminal. And now we are going to fly. We're going to get to our terminal F apa?
F36.
Oh, F36.
36.
Orang dekat dalamnya ni. Checking in. Okay, dah nak masuk lagi kejap lagi.
Yes.
Okay, this is Brunei Airline. So this is how it looks like. Okay lah, a bit better than Garuda. Ada dah sejuk kita dah pakai. Dah pakai jaket dah sejuk sangat ni. Pakcik pakai long sweater je.
16、17、18、你个不太亮，这不太快。好了。
Okay, apa dia cakap? Kalau pandai cuba tengok apa dia cakap. 1, 2, 3. Tak faham kan? Okay, ketibaan persinggahan. Okay, bahasa Jawi. Okay, tak terbaca Jawi dah lama kan. We are now at the terminal. We are going to gate 2, not gate 26.
Kita tengah transiting to gate 2.
Gate 2
at Bandar Seri Begawan, Brunei Darussalam Airport.
Check it in. Okay, check it in. Log in to your swarm and make sure you are the mayor for this place. Alright, lock it in. XRP, alright. Okay, ni apa ni? Klinik perubatan. Musola. Ada prayer pun semua dah tutup semua kedai. Kita gate 2. Gate 2 terus je. Kedai semua tutup je.
Nampak dia depan kan tadi?
Kedai tutup Oh, diorang ikut ala-ala Dubai Airport lah. Tengok ada pokok je. Okay, itu gate 2. Later we're going to take this flight to Japan, Narita Airport. Are we there yet, Alias?
Yeah, we have arrived our destination.
Yeah. Okay, now I see some chicks. Our flight has no chicks, totally no chicks. Okay, dah sampai. Gate 2.
Ya,
sekarang ni all the way.
Ya, ni transit je.
Narita Airport
Ya, tu Narita Airport. It's gonna be how long the flight?
6 hours
6 hours flight. Okay. So kita kena
check.
need to hold our bladder.
Nah, the whole your urine. Ni macam kat Pasir Gudang punya kedai ni. Semua tutup.
Dekat JB.
JB semua tutup kedai jam 11. Airport tau. Kita bukan 15, 0 degrees. 0 degrees lah. Ada sejuk. Kita dah tukar dah tukar pada heat tech tu. Dah tukar pada heat tech kita dah pakai. Banyak punya 15 degrees. It's not man. 0 degrees. Mari typhoon. Dah 10 years. Tak berubah-berubah. Masih lagi macam gini. Nampak? Tadi abang pakai jaket ni, abang ke mana? Dia buka. Dia punya weather bukan 15 degree ni. Ni pakai Shiba, Shibiku, Akihabara semua. It's one shot lah. Macam Northline lah. Ni kita punya intern kita ikut Pak Cik. Semua orang-orang tu lah. Kita betulnya tu semua orang-orang tu. Nothing much has changed since the last time came here 15 years ago. There's no upgrade. Ayo tengok upgrade. Ha 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 ha. Oh ada tu. Yeah. Ada tak? Ada. Ha ha. Nampak? Nampak? Tak ada, tak nampak. Tak nampak. Oh ya, nampak. Fasten seatbelt. Fasten seatbelt. Seatbelt. Okay, kita semua tim VIP naik van ni. Dia sah. Kita tim VIP naik van. Now at apa bridge? Aqua Bridge. Wah, beautiful. Very nice. There is Mount Fuji. Banyak. $10.45. Sure. That's our total. PUBG power plant. PUBG power plant. I will bring gas for you. That's the PUBG power plant. And over there is Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji, huh? Mount Fuji. Yeah, Mount Fuji behind me. Right. Okay. Oh, ni port dia lah. Let's go to the port. Oh, cantik eh? Okay, best. Tengah video ni, video. Mount Fuji eh. Jom, gerik. Very nice, very nice. Beautiful sight. Okay, how? So hopefully Japan will embrace XRP and Bitcoin. Okay. kecil sikit.
You have to keep your hand inside the pocket at all times.
Sangat lah.
Tak boleh. Dekat apa laut.
Nak dekat dengan laut kan sejuk. Sejuk gila. When you are near to the sea, it's damn cold, man. It's not even 15 degrees. I think this is just like 0 degrees.
Let me check. It's hard to clamp my face, my hand.
Very cold, man.
Let me see the weather.
Oh, yo.
It's 7 degrees. Alright. 7
degrees.
degrees.
Right. Okay, 7 degrees. So that means you have to pump in 70 XRP. No, just kidding.
こっちが羽田だ。
Cute lah. Macam Fera-Fera. Let's go. VIP treatment. Let's go, man.
Baik, angkat belakang.
Run. Ya Allah. You know, at this restaurant, I don't know what restaurant is this. It's another halal restaurant. Okay, beautiful. Christmas eh? Rumah kucing. Oh, Airbnb, salad, main drink. Meow. Oh, lovely. Miso soup.
Not miso soup. It's maybe the kind of the soy sauce and from the fish maybe.
Oh, the fish oil.
Yeah. And then the topping here.
Same. It's the same. Yeah.
Same. And this one also.
It's a seaweed, very nice.
If you like, you know.
Onions, shallots.
This one the maybe fish.
Fish.
Oh, okay. Fish powder. And this
Seaweed.
Onion.
yeah, onion.
Onion ring ke?
Apaan? Paprika. Macam rumah orang. Rumah dia convert jadi apa? Kedai makan.
Ni bangsa ke bawah.
These are the families going for the trip.
Chewing gum cannot, snake glue can.
Macam dia bunyi.
Ni macam boleh buat dokumentari. Kucing festival.
Ni Pek Ya punya.
Pek Ya.
Pek Ya dia hitam.
Paprika.